Hi, we're building Conclave. Colosseum Copilot helps builders study the past. Conclave helps them measure themselves against the life present confidentially. In a live hackathon, teams can research historical projects, public archives, and ecosystem context. That is useful. But they still cannot safely answer the most important question: how novel, crowded, or off track is my project relative to the team's building right now? Getting that feedback usually means exposing raw ideas, summaries, or strategy. Conclave is based on the NDAI research direction from Andrew Miller and Matthew Stephenson. The core idea is that sensitive evaluation can happen inside a trusted execution environment, so only bounded outputs actually leave it. An organizer creates a conclave enclave for the hackathon. They configure the hackathon name, the end date, the valuation cadence, and the track definitions used for alignment. This matters because conclave is not a one shot score. It periodically reevaluates the full live cohort over time. Let's see. Participants use a conclave coding agent skill to actually submit to the enclave that was created by the admins. They give their enclave URLs and the instance ID that is provided by the admins, which are the hackathon organizers. And their local agent actually reads the repo locally, summarizes the project, and submits it into the enclave. On every scheduled take, the enclave evaluates the entire current cohort, which basically means that the participants get the novelty score, best fit track, cluster, any other track alignments, any name collisions, and the or whatever the confidence is. And the organizers actually get to see how the submissions were and what the scores are and what the faction distribution, etc. is, like how they align with the tracks. Also, I'll be giving away the credits for this, so you can check it on your own since this is on the official website. Is not just a ChatGPT wrapper. Conclave actually combines the deterministic embeddings layer, a pairwise similarity layer, a novelty scoring, clustering, name collision detection, and then there's an agentic evaluation which uses the inference API. There's also guardrails so that we can make sure that no output leaves, that is no raw input actually leaves the enclave. And of course, there's attestations. So we think this is a strong fit for the public good submission because it gives participants better feedback, organizers better visibility, and the ecosystem reusable infrastructure for confidential live cohort intelligence. Basically, we've seen the demand in through our Discord, and as well as we see how people get nervous trying to pitch their projects or know if their project is validated or not. And this is a perfect opportunity and the perfect product for them. And finally, I would like to say the Copilot actually tells you about the past, and the Conclave helps you survive the present. Thank you for viewing the pitch, and yeah, have a great day.